This drink is called Campari Beer. Go ahead and pour your beer into your pint glass, like so. And then you're going to do 1.5 ounces of Campari. Campari isn't it pretty? It's a pink grapefruit liqueur. It's really good. It's really tasty. It's from Italy. Okay, I'm done talking about Campari. Here we go. 1.5 ounces. Right on in there. It's a nice color. And then take your spoon. Go ahead and stir it and mix it together. This is what your Campari beer is going to look like. It's going to be a normal beer with like a pink tint to it. Nothing wrong with that. Maybe the ladies would like this one, gentlemen. There you go. Very easy, very simple, very tasty. The next time you have like a big pack of domestic beer, buy a bottle of Campari. You never know what'll happen. There you go. Cheers.